What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as from the title you can see, we are going to review, unbox AMI Smartband 4. So before starting the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video you get notified. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So it's not much of an unboxing, as this is the package in which I got this band, AMI Band 4. I bought it from like AMI store. I hope you can see. So this is not much of an unboxing, as I have already opened it and I have to charge it. So obviously I have to open it. So it's not of an unboxing. I'm going to review this. I know they're very like okay, the costing. It costed me rupees 2499. It's like already 2500, like it's 2500. So it's, the product name is Fitness Band. Product model is XMSHO7HM. I hope you can see. Yeah. Content: fitness tracker. What does it contains? One fitness tracker of 1 unit, wristband of 1 unit, charging cable of 1 unit, user manual of 1 unit. 2499. As a dimension of fitness tracker, the tracker dimension is 4.68 centimeter into 1.78 centimeter into 1.26 centimeter. I don't know what is that. I'm not a math geek, so count it. Adjustable length of 15.5 centimeter, 21.6 centimeter. So the wrist of a much fatter guy can also wear this, so you don't have to be worried like you can't wear this. Like 21.6, whose wrist is 21.6 centimeter? If someone is there, like no discrimination over here, it's just like my reference. Color black, like the color band I got is black. Generally you will get this band of color black only. You have to buy other color if you want. There are like some camouflage band, orange, red, blue. There are different kinds of band. You have to repurchase them separately. You can buy them from online or as well as from Amazon store. And sorry for the background noise, my neighbors are as usual very loudy. They are like reconstruction. What? I can't even talk. Okay, it's Xiaomi Technology Indian Private Limited, blah blah. So this is the package. You can see this is what I got. So I'm going to open it right now. So this is what it looks like. I guess these are inside. I didn't remember. So this is the real band. This is the thing. So it's already charged. I hope it, okay, it was like opposite side. I hope you can see. I have like set the display in different color. This is the band with adjustable length. Sorry guys, like for adjustable lens, you can see it's up to here. It's really much adjustable. And this is the charger. Oops, this is the charger in which you have to charge. You can connect it with any charger of yours, remove that OTG cable and like adjust it and just shove it and charge it. It's very easy. So it charges this way, like you can see this too, and you can see over here. You have to just put it inside like this and you can charge it. Okay, so with the bands, right? So I'm going to do this, insert this with a band. The lousy AF me. So this is how you put it, and to bring it out you have to just pull this in this way. So this is the band, looks in this way. My brightness is very dull. So you have to put the manual. I'm going to show you the manuals, how it works. So manual is inside. Yeah, it is inside. So smart band, blah blah, it shows how we'll do it. Okay, so you have to first install an app that is called AMI Fit app. Okay, you have to install it in your phone. Then you have to connect it with your this phone and this one. You have to charge it before if you don't have charge in this. So for connection you can scan this this scanner. Like I hope you can scan this. You have to scan this scanner and you can like connect it with your phone, or else just on your Bluetooth connect it. It's very easy. You don't have to scan this I don't know, they showed, but my one is connected. I have been using this for like 2 days. So they have, everyone have QR code, so if you are having trouble on Bluetooth connection, you can connect with this phone, and whenever you switch off your Bluetooth, it will get disconnected, and again when you switch on your Bluetooth, it gets connected. So what does it does? It has like the display I have changed. You can change the display color in many forms. So first it comes with a status, like what's the status. It shows your step, your distance, your calories, your ideal alert. So all this you have to update in your app, the app in your phone, your weight, your height, your everything, your every futuristic, every past you did, every mistake, you have to update those. I'm just joking. Okay, then heart rate. So you can like put it over here. How do you put it? Sorry, I haven't told you. It's like this is your wrist. Put 2 fingers gap, and then over there put this for proper measuration of your heartbeat or every step count. So I'm going to show you how it looks on your wrist. You can buy any color band you want to. So this is how it looks on my hand. I'm so lousy. I shouldn't have wore this full sleeve today, but what to do, I'm like this only. So it can shows your heartbeat. You can check your heartbeat as well as at your MI Fit app. So that heart rate workout. If you're running, if you're treadmilling, if you're cycling, if you're walking, if you're freestyling, whatever it does, you can set a timer. You can fix the time, like they will give you a countdown start, and then you do the workout you do. It will like count it. See, I'm going to show you. The brightness is very off. I don't know why its brightness is so off. So next, after workout, like where you can do outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking and deadlifting, it will give you a countdown, then it will start. After that, you can go to weather. You can know the weather, like today is 34 degree the Celsius, and 27 is the humidity level. It shows my location where I am right now, on that position only. You can get a notification. So I hope you can see the display is like very dim. I can't fix the brightness. I have to fix that with my app, with the help of my app, the brightness level. So as I am filming on my phone, so I couldn't. So you can like you can set the notification. The battery is lower than 50% charger, and now okay, the notification is like you have to activate from your phone, like that MI app. You can connect your friend's band with your phone also. Like you can scan their QR code, or you have to scan their QR code, and you can find them anywhere they are, wherever their band is. You can just, if you lost your phone and you want to find your phone in your house, maybe in the Bluetooth range, if your phone is, if you want to find your phone, there's an option, like wait, I'm showing you. It's an option called where is your phone. So if you click on it, it will buzz the phone will start vibrating. So as well as same goes from your phone to your watch. Like in the app, if you like click on an option where is my band option, it will like buzz the wristband of yours. Wherever it is lying, it will buzz so loudly, you can hear it buzzing and you can find it. So this is very convenient. The watch is very good at step counting. Like seriously, I have been using this for 2-3 days, and like I have seen the trackers in my phone, like if you shake them like this, it will still keep on counting. And it will also count if you are going in some sort of like slow steady like transporter, like Rishko, auto, whatever, if you are going on, if you go on them, they also count your steps on that. I have seen that, but this doesn't do that. Okay, it can allow you to swim, like waterproof up to 50 meters. Music control, you can obviously activate your music from here and stop it also. Heart rate monitoring is also available. So this is only one button, this button to activate, and rest is screen touch. I hope I know you can't see, rest is screen touch. You can see that. I hope you can see rest is screen touch. So everything is available, like from weather to notification to your, like, it's really worth it. Like 2500, it's really worth it. I've been using for like 2-3 days. Like, it's very active. You have to activate, first of all you have to activate your calls and notification from your MI Fit app, where you can also set your weight, everything, your location, everything is get monitored from that app only. You need to have that app to connect your band with your phone, and for every monitoring purposes, to display change, to like everything, like brightness, like everything. You need to support this. You need that MI Fit app. So this is what the app look like, the band look like. I will, like, in the link I will in description I will link I can't even talk. In the description I will link every band details. Like, band details means the coloring band. If you want a coloring band with this, you can buy them online, or you can visit any MI store. I will link the band online. If you want to, you can buy. I'm not affiliated or any sorts of with MI. Okay, so that's all for today. This is like my band review. The much I can tell, details my non-technological head can come up with this only. So this is a really convenient and very nice watch, Bluetooth connectivity watch. So I hope you like the review, and you should try buying this watch. I'm not insisting any way or any way or means I'm promoting this thing like you have to have this. No, it's not that. If you have the option, if you want to get, you can buy MI Band 4. It's really nice. I have tried even another smartwatch from Redmi, I don't know, from other brands also, like they were not really convenient as this. Like the square one, I forgot its name. I gave to my friend that band. It was not really convenient. I didn't like it. This band 4 is like really convenient and really nice. It is very it's very like easy way. It's a very easy way to do your job, like whatever you want to. It's waterproof also, like up till 15 meters. Like, yeah, it's really waterproof. It's sweat proof. I have seen I sweat a lot. Like someone suffering from like smart bands, like getting like disturbed or having problem with your sweats, that's not going to happen with this band. I sweat a lot. I'm a sweaty person, like, and the humid of India, oh my god, I can't even explain, especially in the West Bengal. So I hope you like it, you buy it, and tag me if you buy it and show me. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.